All right, I have to look at these instructions because I clearly almost tried to burn myself. It says we need a large nail, which I have. It says 3 feet of thin coated copper wire, and I only have like 3 inches. It also says a fresh C-size battery, and I have a double A. But I have some paper and other metal objects. It says to leave about 8 inches of wire loose at one end and wrap most of the rest of the wire around the nail. Try not to overlap the wires. Cut the wire if needed. Now remove about an inch of the plastic coating from both ends of the wire and attach one. Oh, I didn't have to. Oh, we stripped the coating off. We didn't have to. And attach the one wire to one end of the battery. Be careful though, the wire could get very hot. Making an electromagnet uses up the battery somewhat quickly, which is why the battery may get warm. So disconnect the wires when you are done exploring. And of course, the more times you wrap the wire around it, the stronger it should be. I don't know if the thickness of the nail or the thickness of the wire will matter. Let's just see if we can. A little bit of a wimp now. At least I've taped the top part, and actually let's do fewer coils. We'll do 3 times around, and we'll tape it on. Oh, guys, it's like hot. Get some gloves. It is wrapped 3 times around. Oh my gosh, it's magnetic. Yes, that is exactly why. So I can feel that they're attracted to each other, but it is not actually picking it up yet. To use the battery is hot. Well, it's warm, the battery's warm. It said to use a D battery actually. So my battery is not very big. And I'm gonna wrap it 3 times around. So I'm gonna try and wrap it as many times around as possible. Worried about, is it hot? It's still, okay, it's not hot anymore. It's not anymore, it's not connected to both sides of the battery. All right, I wrapped it as many times as possible around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The battery is still pretty warm. Okay. All right. Now I use the gloves. And you missed the part where I basically tried almost burn myself. Right. This is what I have now. It's pretty attached. Like it goes to make sure that they're like. I really want to pick this up. It kind of picks it up. Did you see it? And we'll pick it all the way up. Go on, go on, go on. So I have the second battery. You guys saw it pick it up, right? Yes, I have a second battery. If we add a second battery, it should get stronger.
Yeah.
All right. I'm trying to figure out how I can make it with 2 batteries. I would just have to stretch the wire across both, right? One less turn so that it stretches out across. Okay. They're still gonna have the exact same number of turns, and then do the 2 batteries and try to measure the difference. But also, I think actually what I'm gonna do, I'll show you. I'm gonna try and get it to go touch both sides. I'm gonna get it to try to touch both batteries like this. Of course, also we should probably use 2 fresh batteries to be scientific. If we were like trying to publish our results or something. Just trying to make an electromagnet for the first time. Okay. You guys can't see anything that I'm doing. Got it attached. Pick it up.
Let's use some.
Off the table. Off the table. It only has 5 turns, 2 batteries. But how do you get another turn? I probably can get one more turn. Also, I dropped the clip for me. And then there was another experiment I wanted to do with lemons, but I definitely didn't have the stuff. And you needed wire that like had little clips on the end. Okay, Buggy Roll, I got as many turns as I can get with this length of wire. It has 6 turns, 2 batteries. Magnetic. I think I might be, oh. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my gosh, it wasn't even pointing at it. Cool. Oh, she said I have extra. It actually does use up your battery. There it is. Great thing to do with your parents. We'll see you next Wednesday.